Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So we'll demonstrate here, guys, on a 2016 Ford F-150, but even if you have a 15, 17 model, it may work as well. The engine fuse box, guys, will be the one that we will need today, and that fuse box is located under the hood. You can see that's the radiator overflow tank. That's your car battery right there. So if you come behind that car battery, that box right here, that's your fuse box, guys. That's your fuse box. You will need to open that fuse box, and once you open it, you have a fuse box that will look like that. You will be towards this side, and that will be towards the windshield side. You can see all the different fuses and relays. Now, let's explain, guys, why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So these fuses and relays, guys, you have different kinds of fuses, relays. You can see those could be really hard to find in small towns, or they can be really expensive. So we'll recommend to get some, guys, and keep them in the glove box for a peace of mind, so you're not stuck in the middle of nowhere. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So we need to, guys, check now 3 fuses specifically. The first fuse will be, okay, let me explain now. If we come in that fuse panel right here, if you come in that right row, 1, 2, 3, that third fuse, that the 60 amp fuse, you need to check that one. That will be the first fuse that you will need to check. Next fuse is known as fuse number 61, and it will be in that middle row here. That will be that last fuse right before the relays. Okay, we're talking about that 30 amp fuse, guys, that one right here. You will need to check. Then you will need to check one more fuse, which is known as fuse number 107. And if you come in that panel right here, it will be 1, 2, the second one in that row, 10 amp fuse, guys. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.